guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm JaMya. So in today's video, I'm just doing a little testing review, trying out this new palette from PUR Cosmetics, and it's their Festival 2.0 palette. So I did a little swatching for you guys, just show you guys every shade that they have in the palette. These are some pretty pigmented and beautiful colors, so I'm really excited to play with them. I actually done my full face, and I actually have a video up on my Instagram showing you guys how I do my full face, but if you guys want to see a full-on video, then I can do that for you guys. But now I'm just applying some P. Louise base to my eyelids, and now I'm just basically blending that base out all over my eyelids. So now I'm just applying some Mercier setting powder underneath my eyelids, just so if I have any fallout, it can just be on top of that setting powder and won't mess up my face. So now moving on into the palette, I'm taking the shade Photo Op, and I'm just putting this all over my crease area and just kind of blending that up towards my brow bone. I am using this shade as my transition shade. Moving on to a darker brown shade, and the shade is called Unset in the palette, and I'm just kind of deepening up my crease with this brown shade. At first I thought this was like not working for me, but I guess I just had to keep on blending it in. And I also used a more tapered brush, so that's more of like a detailed type of brush for the eyelids, but I was just basically kind of deepening it up a little bit more. But now I'm taking a more fluffier brush to actually blend it out into the first shade that I used, which was Photo Op, and that worked out a lot better than using that small little bitty brush. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing now. I'm mixing both of the colors in, and I'm just kind of blending those two colors in together. So now I'm just going back in with that P. Louise base, and I am cutting my crease. So now I'm just going into my first shimmer shade, and I'm going into the shade Vibes, and I'm putting this on the outer area of my cut crease of where I cut my crease at. I started in the middle, then I moved towards the outer cut crease shape, and I'm pretty much doing that on both eyes, just starting in the middle and then working my way out towards my outer third of my lid. And honestly, I really do like the glitter shades, the shimmer shades in the palette. They're really nice, and I don't know, I just really love them. So now I'm just going back into the shade Onset, and I'm blending out my outer third of my eye, just kind of blend in those two colors together. So now I'm just going into the shades Pure Bliss and a little bit of the shade Euphoric, and I'm putting this on my inner corner of my lid area, and I'm kind of blending those out towards that shade Vibes, and I'm kind of blending those two in together so it won't look too harsh. It'll look like it's kind of like an ombre type of look. But now I'm just basically blending out everything, just making sure everything is well blended. It's looking really nice, really smooth. So for a little pop of color, a little shimmer on the inner corner, I used the shade Utopia, and it gave it like a really nice pop of color. And for my lower lash line, I'm just taking that shade Onset like I used on my outer corner, and I'm just blending in the bottom section of my lower lash line. And now I'm just wiping away the excess powder. And now I'm just going to be applying my lashes, and these are in the style Yalorde Babe, I believe, and they're from Yalorde Lashes. And honestly, I really like these lashes, so you guys should definitely get into these lashes. But yeah, this is basically me completing this look with my lashes. Alright, you guys, so I've come to the end of this video. This is the final look of me testing out the PUR Cosmetics Festival 2.0 palette. So if you guys like this quicker style video, the little reviews, then make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up and comment down below for more videos like these. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel already, then please be sure you are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you guys join the fam, share this video. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Ryan Little.